Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about the trade breakdown which I have taken in my funded account, which is trade 9 funded account series 9. Okay guys, it is phase 1, we are trading in US100. So in this challenge we made huge profit in this trade, so which lead to make our account to 2%. Now we are 2% up. So total target is 6%. Now we have reached 2% up, 2.3%. So we need to go more than 4%, more than 3.6 or 3.8%. So we are near to that. So I have risked a lot of this in trade, but I go for 1:1. Why? Because I just entered before the news. So the thing which I have taken a trade, I have mentioned everything, the profit statement and the end statement and the application which I applied in my MetaTrader 5. So guys, let's see before entering to the what the view before I entering the trading market. So which is the US100 pair. I expected market to take this liquidity and this liquidity, but market does not take this liquidity. What I expect to market opening here 9:30 to manipulate here, but the manipulation occur in 9:30. So I expected sell in 9:45. There was a news in 9:45, but I think the manipulation occur in 9:30. Why? Because 8:30 there is a news. So 9:30 market open, the manipulation over. So 9:45 there will be distribution. So I expect same thing to happen here like this. The buy sell liquidity is huge, and I expected this is the 9:30 first presentation in Fiji. So if it get inverse, I'll be definitely entering here. What I happened, we can see in this next slide. So after investing this, I have placed my trade here. I have give my stop loss here, which is $80 stop loss and $80 target, which is a 1:1 trade. So I have not mm, mm, made more than that. I just made $80. So this is the trade breakdown. I used buy sell liquidity and above FEG in 15 minutes and SMT. This is the SMT which I used for 1 minute. And the entry should I place here? The mistake I should have say first, I should wait for news to implement. If I wait for news to implement, I will be entering here for long and I'll be getting stop out. So mistake I have done, I have entered before news, but I have made profit. So now our account status is very good and we are doing very good. And we need to do many things and we need to go for many steps. There are available. So we are on the first stage and we need to move on to forward and we need to gain 4% balance. And I am working for that. Definitely next week we'll be going to get a good news. Definitely I'm going to risk 100 trade, which is $100 in 1:1 or 1:2. Then we are clearing our funded account. So let's see in the next video, guys. Bye, traders. If you have a doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye, traders.